Hi.
You really are like Chris.
How's it going? It goes like dust in the wind.
So Joe and I are in the garage for Lincoln.
Check out my spirals. My spiral whistle.
Oh my god. No. Alright, so the video's starting.
And my pants are already like... Don't look at me!
So Joe and I are at some park. I do not know the name of it. And we just downed like a lot of beers. Coors Light. You can't see Joe, but he's leaning off the big toy with his hands in the air going pee.
It feels pretty awesome.
You're like on the Titanic, except I would stand behind you, but that'd be kind of creepy. Cause, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a whole new world. Make it more than twice. You're playing with yourself.